Hello everyone! Take a section from the front, make two braids out of it and join it at the back. Make an arrow-shaped division at the back and then tie a ponytail. Roll this ponytail in on itself as such. Make two divisions out of it, make two braids. Shape it like a heart, join it to the ponytail at the bottom. Take out a section of the hair from the top, make two ponytails out of it. After this, make two braids. Make two ponytails on either side and roll it in on itself. Pull the braid through. Take a section from the front, make two braids out of it as such. At the back, make another section. Tie multiple sections as such. Take a section from the top, make a braid out of it. Take two sections from either side of the hair and join it at the back. Roll the hair in on itself. Now braid the back of the hair. Take a section of the hair from the front and now roll the hair in on itself. Make two braids out of it. Once more, roll the braids in on themselves. This time, leave it like a bow. Add a decorative clip or rubber band. Start off by tying a ponytail, divide it into two portions, make two braids out of it, lift it up and tie it up like a bow. Add a hair stick through it. Tie a rubber band and insert it in place. Take a section from the front, tie a braid to it. Join it to the ponytail at the back, tie a rubber band in the middle of the ponytail, make it into a bow shape after lifting it up. Braid the rest of the hair at the bottom, roll it upwards, spin it up using a bobby pin. Take a section from the top and then make two braids out of it. Fold it up slightly and then join it in the shape of a bow on the upper and the lower halves. Add a decorative clip. Take a section from the top, tie a ponytail, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into two sections, make two braids out of it. Roll the bottom up as such as well. Take a section of the hair and then make a braid out of it. Take another section and then bring it in front on one of the sides and begin to braid it as such. Braid the rest of the hair as well. Start off by tying a ponytail and then divide this ponytail into two sections. Add a rubber band in the middle of one of these sections and roll the hair in on itself. Pull the second section through the first section and then add a rubber band at the base. Begin to make a fishtail braid out of this. That is, divide the hair into two portions and then put either side sections into it. Make two sections in the hair and then on one of the sides make three divisions. In the middle division, make a braid. Now joining the first and the last division, make another braid. Tie a ponytail on one of the sides, divide this ponytail into two parts. Add a rubber band in the middle of each of these two parts and roll the hair in on itself. Put one section through the other. Make braids out of the rest. Take a section from the top and make a braid out of it. Now using this braid as a section, make another braid taking two more sections from either side. Take another section from underneath it and then braid the hair once more. Take a section of the hair from the front, tie a ponytail with it. Take two more sections from the back and tie two more rubber bands as such, one behind the other. Now taking the base of the hair, make a braid out of it. Start off by tying a ponytail. Pull one section out slightly and then make it look like a bow. Start off by tying a ponytail by wrapping the rubber band around it as such. Make four divisions out of the hair, leave one of them aside. Begin to braid the hair and as you finish with the first section of the braid, include the other section that you had initially left out. Include all four of the pieces into this one braid. Thank you for watching.